Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Now I shall leave the vision of this mundane world, and I see that Uddhav, the foremost of my devotees, is the only one who can be directly entrusted with knowledge about me. Jinam Madashrayam is significant in this verse. Transcendental knowledge has three departmental divisions, namely, knowledge of impersonal Brahm, knowledge of the all-pervading Supersoul, and knowledge of the personality of Godhead. Out of the three, transcendental knowledge of the personality of Godhead has special significance and is known as Bhagavat Tattva Vijnana, specific knowledge of the personality of Godhead. This specific knowledge is realized by pure devotional service and no other means. Bhagavad Gita confirms this. Bhakti mam abhijanati yavanyash chasmi tattvata. Only persons engaged in devotional service can factually know the transcendental position of the Lord. Uddhav was considered to be the best amongst all devotees of that time, and therefore he was directly instructed by the Lord's grace, so that people might take advantage of Uddhava's knowledge after the disappearance of the Lord from the vision of the world. This is one of the reasons why Uddhav was advised to go to Badarikashram, where the Lord is personally represented by the Narayan deity. One who is transcendently advanced can gain direct inspiration from the temple deity, and thus a devotee of the Lord always takes shelter of a recognized temple of the Lord in order to make tangible advancement in transcendental knowledge by the grace of the Lord.